Hey guys, what's going on right here at Klutch Kickers? Today it's not racing, if y'all can hear me. They are having a summer bash, which is kind of like a free-for-all car rodeo, if you will. Just do a bunch of laps all day. They'll have like water slides, food trucks, and I think they're even doing ride-alongs. So that's pretty cool. So it's the first time on one of these things, so we'll check this out and see what it's all about. So far it looks pretty cool. This is Tasha and Mason's time to come see some actual drifting. Man, that car sounds good, don't it? Let's go check out some more of these cars. Like I said, it's more of just a rodeo, do a bunch of hot laps, practice, and then did some ride-alongs. So it's pretty cool. So far, it's having a good time. about to make that happen. And I think our ride's going to be a 350Z from the Emerald Coast Motorsports, so I'm pretty stoked. Let's go check it out, see if we can make this happen. Guys, got to go for the first ride in a 350Z drift car. Gotta say, I wasn't really ready for it. That was a lot of fun. I'm gonna go one lap around, fortunately, just because I guess we're having issues with the cars today. So it's been like spitting and sputtering, but it happens. No big deal, not their fault. That's just mechanics. But overall, I had a blast, man. You guys are nice, real cool.
see this Ford Mustang GT.
All right, where's
What car you want to see, bud?
I need you to see this Ford Mustang GT.
You don't say. Another Ford Mustang.
It's going to be so cool.
You think so?
I need you to see this.
Okay.
It's so
You
cool.
just to see it, Mom.
all right?
The bumper is
They say Tasha is in heaven right now. She likes the Nissan 350s and 370s.
Look,
They're here as far as the eye can see.
see? It's a Mustang.
I mean, directed for a Mustang from Mason.
It's a Mustang.
You see a Mustang? Where's a Mustang? Where?
Over there.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah, it sure is.
It's a Ford Mustang GT.
Boatload of Nissans.
The bumper
Usually
is
it's
for
Mustangs we see
I know.
here at car shows.
That got rammed.
Huh?
That got wrecked.
No, it
Bumped a
didn't.
few things.
Look at
Comes with
that
drifting.
headlights.
Pretty cool.
It's the broken headlight over there.
That's okay. He doesn't need the headlights. He doesn't drive on
And
the
he
road.
doesn't
That's good.
have the wheel. Did I see the back of
You
it?
can go look at the back.
It's that is so cool. I never seen that before.
That's cool, dude.
I like that Mustang right there. A Fox body. It's pretty sharp.
That's a Mustang?
It is.
Oh, okay. That's cool.
There's a Subaru. That Subaru sounds pretty good.
Yeah, it does.
Right. That is so cool.
Pretty neat though.
Yeah? Do you have a fun day? Have a video?
I am. Are you having a fun day?
I love that you race.
I'll race.
That sounds so good.
I wish I raced.
That's nice.
That's cool.
Pretty sharp.
That is so what I'm talking about. Are you wearing a helmet on your car?
Oh, when I rode in that car?
Yeah.
Yeah, I did wear a helmet.
Oh, shoot. I should wear a helmet in my... I'm going to ride a Ford Mustang GT.
Are you?
Yeah.
That'd be fun.
Like for Need for Speed Payback.
Oh, cool.
One day.
Yeah,
Black
one day.
stripes ground.
One day maybe he'll get to.
Yeah. And I'm
good to have
feeling
goals.
So
Yeah.
brave.
Goals.
Oh, yeah.
Or if he says the My Little Pony. Oh, My Little Pony's not there.
It's not. Dang.
That is so cool. Look at that. It's
Pretty
a
cool.
350.
Alright, bro.
Let's go back to Zippy. Okay.
Cool, dude.
Let's go back to
It's
Zippy.
240 right here.
They have been a few different 240s.
Yeah, it has
There's
been.
a couple over there.
Let's go back to Zippy.
appreciate it.
Hell yeah,
That's
man.
awesome.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I have a bunch of more tires out tomorrow. They're a little bit more grippy, so if y'all end up coming out tomorrow, I can do hot laps all day long.
That's awesome. Man, that's awesome. Alright guys, that was sick, man. One thing watching it, is actually getting riding one of those, just feeling how the cars look up. It's just intense. It's awesome. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for this video. I'm gonna leave you right here. Had an awesome time, great time. This is just a summer bash. That's where they come pretty much do hot laps all day. And they had a water slide and a food truck. They got to do ride-alongs, which was awesome. Been wanting to, finally got to. It was awesome.
And it's his birthday weekend, so we got to do it for his birthday.
It's
Why not?
awesome. Yeah, I rode along with the Emerald Coast Motorsports guys. They nice people, really nice people. And first ride along I did had some car issues, so they pitted it, and then I got to ride with the other car. Perfect, smooth ride. And I think the guy's name was Adam, driver was. He's a good guy. And yeah, we had a good time. Mace got to see some Mustangs like always. Is that right, bud? You can see Mustangs?
Yeah.
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 Yeah. And Tosh got to see all the 350Cs she can handle.
Pretty much.
But again, thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe, and catch you on the next one.
Bye.